Congresswoman Cathy McMorris Rodgers and U.S. Senator Maria Cantwell recently put forward a new bill to protect your online data from companies. But some small business leaders say they have concerns.
KREM 2's Cody Proctor has been digging into this legislation today, and she's joining us now here in the studio. Cody?
Well, Mark and Whitney, the American Privacy Rights Act can be overwhelming to sift through. If it's passed, it'll establish a nationwide standard for data privacy rights. There's a lot of data out there, and a new bill being championed by U.S. Representative Cathy McMorris Rodgers and U.S. Senator Maria Cantwell, the American Privacy Rights Act, looks to protect it. If passed, some of the things the bill would do is give consumers the right to control how tech companies such as Google, Meta, and TikTok use their personal data. It would also give users the right to opt out of certain data practices and the right to access and delete their data. According to the drafted bill, small businesses would be exempt. Yet some small business owners here in Washington worry the exemptions won't be enough. Tuesday morning, the group Connected Commerce Council held a virtual press conference where a small group of business owners, two of them based in Spokane, shared their concerns. That includes Brian Totson, who co-owns Kraken Creative and the Paper Street Coffee Company.
Digital tools are the only thing that we have to kind of get their name out there, communicate with their audience, let them know what's going on, what's new, and get the attention that they need to actually compete in the market.
To qualify as a small business, the bill says a business has to meet one of three requirements. They can't sell their customers' data to a third party, they have to have an annual revenue of $40 million or less, and they don't collect, process, retain, or transfer the data of more than 200,000 individuals. Firecracker Software founder Jason Stock says he met with Representative McMorris Rodgers to talk about the proposed bill. While he likes parts of the act, he says he asked her to only look at the revenue for small businesses.
But I asked her not to look at the number of users because for a digital business like mine or even KREM 2's website, there's going to be a lot of users and it's hard to monetize those users with just ads.
If passed, the American Privacy Rights Act would preempt current state laws. Now, another thing I also found out tonight from the Connected Commerce Council is that they are funded by Google and Amazon. Now, while there is concern the bill won't pass by the time McMorris Rodgers is finished with her term, both legislators told me when I spoke with them last month that they're optimistic they can get it passed by then. In the studio, Cody Proctor, KREM 2 News.